What is up guys, my name is Ignas, welcome back to the channel. We are in the episode number 45 of the public stock investing portfolio series. $60 more was added, we bought some stock and received the dividends. An early thumbs up would be much appreciated, and with that out of the way, let's get into the moves. So on Monday we received the dividends from Lockheed Martin, and that came in at 14 cents for our position. The first move on Monday was adding $20 into Barrick Gold, where we got 0.956 of a share at $20.91. In the last 5 trading days, Barrick Gold is lower for 0.53%, in 1 month it is down for 11.38%, and in exactly 1 year the stock is lower for 21.87%. This week the share price saw a new bottom at $20.29, but after that the price was slowly inching up. The relative strength index went just a bit higher to 34.45, and the 12-day moving average of the MACD is just under the 26th one and is also moving up. So if the price stays at these levels, I'm buying more next week, but we could also be seeing a slight rebound in the price too. Then on Wednesday we bought $20 worth of Lockheed Martin, where we got 0.053 of a share at $376.32. In the last 5 trading days, Lockheed Martin is down for 0.05%, in 1 month it is lower for 3.2%, and in exactly 1 year the share price is up for 5.21%. The stock is moving sideways now for a few months, but it is currently below the 50-day moving average. We also have quite a small exposure in industrials, with Lockheed Martin being the only position. That is why I'm interested in increasing on it at these levels. On Thursday we added $20 into Sempra Energy, where we got 0.149 of a share at $133.51. In the last 5 trading days, Sempra Energy is down for 2.33%, in 1 month the stock is lower for 1.19%, and in exactly 1 year the stock is up for 11.91%. The stock has been dipping for a few trading days this week, where it bottomed in between the 50 and the 200-day moving averages. But the last 2 days were green and the stock is actually moving back up. I would be interested in buying more into this, but we already have quite a nice percentage in utilities already, so I will be buying more only if the price goes lower to the 200-day moving average. Lastly, on Friday we received dividends from Coca-Cola, and that came in at 14 cents for our position. So these were all the moves for the week. Now let's go into Google Sheets to take a deeper look. Past few weeks were quite nice for the portfolio, as the majority of the positions are now in the green. Since we added into Lockheed Martin, we now have 0.115 of a share. The average buying price is at $348.38, and the current market price is at $381.49. The cost basis is $40, and the current market value for the position is $43.80. This means that we are up for $3.80, and that is an increase of 9.5%. The position takes up 1.35% of the portfolio and 100% of exposure in industrial sector. Then we also added into Barrick Gold, where we have 3.714 of a share. The average buying price is at $21.54, and the current market price is $20.79. The cost basis is $8, and the current market value is $77.21. This means that we are down for $2.79, and that is a loss of 3.48%. The position takes up 2.39% of the portfolio and 100% of exposure in material sector. The last buy of the week was Sempra Energy, where we have 0.593 of a share. The average buying price is $134.91, and the current market price is $134.79. The cost basis is $8, and the current market value for the position is $79.99. This means that we are down for 1 cent, and that is a loss of 0.01%. The position takes up 2.47% of the portfolio and 65.47% of exposure in utility sector. Let's have a look into our 3 best gaining positions. So in third place we have Microsoft with a gain of $36.83, and that is an increase of 30.69%. Then second place is Google with a gain of $40.01, which is an increase of 66.69%, and the top gainer is Western Digital with an increase of $77.93, which is growth of 98.65%. Now let's also take a look into our 3 worst losses. So in third place from the bottom we have Canadian Solar with a loss of 43 cents, which is minus 0.21%. Then there is Barrick Gold with minus $2.79, which is a loss of 3.48%. And in the worst position, we currently have Alibaba with a loss of $28.50, and that is minus 8.38%. Now let's do a summary. So the portfolio is currently valued at $3,234.53, and we ourselves have deposited $2,820. This means that we are currently up for $414.53, and that is an increase of 14.7%. Now let's take a look how the portfolio is diversified by different positions. So we have 3.1% of the portfolio invested in Google, 3.8% in AT&T, 6.4% in TTWO Interactive, 6.2% in Baidu, 7.5% in Mcdonald's, 9.6% in Alibaba, 6.4% in Walmart, 0.7% in Coca-Cola, 1.9% in Kimberly, 3.7% in Mastercard, 2.2% in Visa, 2.9% in Johnson & Johnson, 2.8% in Thermo Fisher Scientific, 1.3% in Vertex Pharmaceuticals, 1.4% in Lockheed Martin, 4.9% in Western Digital, 2.6% in Intel, 4.8% in Microsoft, 3.3% in Sony, 7.6% in Qualcomm, 6.2% in Canadian Solar, 3.9% in Autodesk, 2.4% in Barrick Gold, 1.3% in Consolidated Edison, 2.5% in Sempra Energy, and we have 0.5% of the portfolio still available in cash. And let's scroll just a bit lower to check how the portfolio is diversified by different sectors. So we have 19.5% of the portfolio in communication services, where the target is 20%. Then there is 17.2% in consumer discretionary, with the target being at 10%. 9% in consumer staples, where the target is 8%. 6% in financials, with the target being at 7%. 6.9% in healthcare, where the target is 14%. 1.4% in industrials, with the target at 10%. 33.3% in information technology, with the target being 25%. 2.4% in materials, with the target being at 3%, 3.8% in utilities, where the target is 3%, and 0.5% in cash, where the target is 0%. So that was it with the investing portfolio update. If you are interested in details, you can access the Google Sheets document whenever you like. There is a free of charge link for it in the description below. If you have any questions or comments regarding the portfolio and calculations, you can add those under the video. I will make sure to take time and answer any of those. If you are interested in a chat, you can direct message me on Facebook at Dandy Finance. And if you want to see some funny original memes that I make, then follow Dandy Finance on Instagram. And that was it. If you got value or new ideas, then make sure to push that thumbs up, it helps the channel a lot. Now there is a question for you: which stocks have you been buying or selling recently? Share your best moves and suggestions in a comment below. If you are interested to know exactly when I buy or sell in stock, then consider the options on Patreon. Last week we did comparisons on the solar industry with NFS Energy, SolarEdge, Sunrun, First Solar, Canadian Solar, and Jinko Solar. If you are interested in any of these, then click on the video currently on the screen. And that was it from my side. Thank you for watching, and I will be seeing y'all in the next one.